What you need is what we can do. Xinhai leads the mining trend. Shandong Xinhai Mining Technology and Equipment Incorporated is an international mine EPCM+O service provider covering mine engineering, complete equipment manufacturing and procurement, mine construction and commissioning, mine construction management, mine operation management, as well as industry resources integration. Adhering to the service concept of what you need is what we can do, Xinhai vigorously implements the development strategy of marketing interconnection, market internationalization, manufacturing servitization, management modernization, and development innovation, and successfully replaces traditional drivers with new ones. Rated as the National Little Giant Enterprise, Key Little Giant Enterprise, National High-Tech Enterprise, and Yantai Mayor Quality Award recognized unit. With the first-class qualification of general contracting for mining engineering construction, Xinhai can undertake the construction of various types of mining projects. Xinhai provides intelligent, efficient and high-quality mine overall project construction and operation solutions for global customers, and dedicates to creating a profitable modern intelligent mine. As a proposer and practitioner in Honestop professional and intelligent mine EPCM+O service, Xinhai has mining and dressing experience of more than 70 minerals, including gold, silica sand, lithium, silver, copper, iron, lead, zinc, chrome, tungsten, molybdenum, manganese, tin, feldspar, fluorite, barite, graphite, phosphate and zirconium titanium. Xinhai has served more than 100 countries and regions around the world, undertook more than 500 mine EPCM+O projects, and served more than 2,000 mines, including Guinea 15,000 TPD gold processing plant, Zimbabwe 2 million TPA lithium processing plant, South Africa 3,000 TPD chromite processing plant, Mexico 1,500 TPD copper lead zinc processing plant, Mongolia 800 TPD fluorite processing plant, Uganda 720 TPD rare earth polymetallic ore processing plant, Morocco 500 TPD silver processing plant, China Xinjiang 50,000 TPD zirconium titanium processing plant, China Hebei 3 million TPA iron processing plant, China Shandong 1 million TPA zirconium titanium processing plant, China Heilongjiang 3,000 TPD graphite processing plant, etc. Xinhai has won the respect and trust of customers with its innovative process design, professional project execution capabilities, and high value-added service system. Strong technical strength is the core strength of Xinhai in providing customized mine EPCM+O service. Chairman Mr. Zhang Yunlong is an academician of the Australasian Institute of Mining and Metallurgy, FAUSM, an international mining consultant, a member of the 5th Board of Directors of Northeastern University and a part-time professor at 4 domestic universities. He works together with more than 300 mining technology experts and engineers in 18 majors, and has established the Mine Research Institute, Mine Design Institute and Product R&D Center. Xinhai Mine Research Institute has a first-class mineral comprehensive utilization test and pilot center, covering an area of 2,000 square meters, equipped with equipment for small-scale tests and semi-continuous industrial tests. At present, the Research Institute has passed the CNAS laboratory certification, and completes an average of 180 experimental research projects annually, reaching the international advanced level. Xinhai Mine Design Institute has professional Grade B design qualifications in the metallurgical industry, and can provide the design in accordance with not only Chinese standards, but also Australian JRC standard, Valmin specification and Canada NI 43-101 standard. Xinhai Mine Design Institute also can use professional SolidWorks 3D design software and PDM design management system to carry out 3D design for conventional or processing plant, mobile or processing plant and combined steel structure production line, so customers can learn the whole picture of the dressing plant in advance, and ensure that the final design is feasible and implementable. Xinhai Product R&D Center is responsible for the research and development, design and improvement of equipment. It has carried out in-depth optimization and innovative improvements on 80% of mining equipment, and has applied for more than 200 patents in total. Xinhai has built an intelligent high-end equipment production center, Intelligent Products Development and Manufacturing Base, Sonic Scroll and Dry Magnetic Separation Equipment R&D and Manufacturing Base, Wear-Resistant Rubber Technology and Product R&D and Manufacturing Base. Xinhai Intelligent High-End Equipment Production Center covers an area of about 110,000 square meters and is the leading Morningstar factory with full coverage of 5G Internet of Things in China. The factory has large, medium and small processing equipment such as a 200-ton crane, a 8-meter CNC double-column vertical lathe, and a 100-ton CNC floor-standing milling and boring machine. It can produce large mining machinery such as ball mills with a diameter of less than 7 meters, and provide a full set of main and auxiliary equipment for mining production with a scale of less than 50,000 tons/day. Xinhai has passed the EU CE certification, Canadian CSA corporate certification, ISO 9001-2015 International Quality Management System certification, and its product quality is manufactured according to international standards. At the same time, Xinhai establishes a mining academic exchange center and an immersive experience center, which can not only showcase the company's strength to customers, but also be used for internal teaching and external communication. At the same time, it has a postdoctoral mobile workstation and cooperates with many universities to establish industry-university research bases, becoming a model enterprise for promoting industry-university research cooperation. Xinhai has been focusing on the mining industry for more than 30 years. With strong technical strength and complete mine EPCM+O services, Xinhai has won numerous praises from customers around the world. At many influential industry conferences and large-scale mining exhibitions at home and abroad, it has gained widespread attention, with great brand influence in global mining industries. In the future, Xinhai will strengthen industrial alliance cooperation, give full play to the advantages of domestic and foreign resource integration, and inject new impetus into the development of global mining. Meanwhile, Xinhai will continue to challenge itself, overcome mining problems, and use innovative thinking to provide customers with customized and intelligent mining solutions. Xinhai will constantly strive to realize the goal of international brand 100 Years of Xinhai.